Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting credentials so Zapier can access Excel online. Once signed in, make sure your workbook is in OneDrive and contains a named table, like Table 1. You need clear headers and consistent column types, dates, text, numbers, because Zapier maps fields exactly. Next, open Zapier and choose the Trigger app. Select Microsoft Excel Online and the event that matches your goal. Once done, test the trigger so Zapier discovers Table 1 and sample rows to map. Now build the Zap. Pick a trigger such as New Row in Excel or an external app event. After you test the trigger, add the action, for example, create row in the same or different workbook. Make sure to map each trigger field to the correct Excel column. If you need date or number conversion, insert Formatter by Zapier between steps. Once configured, use filters or paths to route conditional logic. Then run one more test to verify the exact output lands in Table 1. Finally, toggle the Zap on and perform a full end-to-end test with realistic data so you see final rows created or updated. If something goes wrong, check Zap history to view the payload and error message. That tells you whether it's a mapping, permission, or schema issue. Make sure table headers haven't changed, reauthorize Excel if permissions expired, and adjust formatter steps as needed. Once tests pass and history shows successful runs, the integration is complete and automated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.